Hey guys, today we're playing Animal Jam with voice, I think. That's my dad. I think Cindy Biddy is that some of my friends did. Okay, she finally got off. As you can see, I have Clover right warmer than a new man. Look. Because my friend got she already had Clover Lakers and rare Clover Lakers. I'll show you for birthday. And it's just annoying. Rare Clover Lake Warmers, tradeless Rare Clover Lake Warmers. And then the ones that are done. So that's why I started recording Goodbye Dad. I can just upload the video. I don't like it. And I have school today, but I just wanted to do a video to say goodbye for uploads. It's been forever, and I'm gonna do an upload. So I'm gonna show you some of the cool gems on my YouTube area. So here's the first one of YouTube area. I'm gonna get and make a speed run done. So yeah, I'm gonna put some music on and make the speed run. So yeah, bye bye.
This is why we're still together here. We gotta play strong-hearted. We gotta play with the numbers. 'Cause it's a long way up, so don't look down. We're nearly at the top.
Now it's so long way down. We gotta make it, nothing's getting in my way. They can love it or hate it, but nothing is gonna break us. We working day and night hard, never taking light cards. We playing them right, hating you paying the price. On the regular, women hitting my cellular. They say I got game, guess they tryna level up. And we ain't gonna stop to the haters. Nah, hold up, get your weight up. Everything's real, never made up. And we ain't gonna stop till we paid up. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my lord. 2K17s, ah yeah, we going hard. Work, 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 work,
This is where we got started. This is why we're still together here. We gotta play strong-hearted. We gotta play with the no. We gotta work, 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 work. Gotta work, 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 work. Sometimes it's gonna hurt. Still we gotta work,
when it followed my vision, cooking up in the kitchen, wasn't even looking for hits, only collisions. Now look how we winning. My whole team is a million. We never waited for nobody, you asked for permission. Now we getting it every day. It's never work to do what you love and then get paid. I wake up in the morning, smile on my face. Only 24 hours, can't let them go to waste. So I bring things to the table, never needed no label. See me on your TV, no cable. If you don't get the picture yet, your service sucks. Whole team making noise, know you heard of us.
This is where we got started. This is why we're still together here. We gotta play strong-hearted. We gotta play with no fear. Work, 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 work. Gotta work, 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 work. Sometimes.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Subscribe, comment, like, and share, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed the speed run. Hope you got a lot of tips. And no, it's not a speed run, and I did not make it faster because I bought it from a shop. So yeah, I'm just going to show you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if it's short or not, but I'm gonna work on the den and finish the book. So bye bye.